Welcome back, you guys, to another video. Ark Invest continues to buy Skillz for the second day in a row. 2 days ago, I posted a video about Ark Invest's new position for 2021. If you would like to know more about the company Skillz and what they do, make sure to click on the card above to watch that video. Just as I anticipated, Monday's position was just a starter position. They continue to add more and the stock price continues to rise. You might still have time to buy if you're not in already. In this video, we will go over Ark Invest's new purchases, end of the year stock price target, and reasonable value levels to buy before the stock runs away. I also have new e-gaming figures that is great for long-term investors. If you're new here, welcome to Options Temple, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Today I checked the updated ARKW ETF holdings, and sure enough, they doubled down on their original purchases. They now have 462,000 shares of Skillz and is still in the last place in the ETF. I'm not sure if most of you were following Ark Invest a few months ago when they started buying into Nano Dimension around $2. It was the last place of their RQ ETF then. Now, Nano Dimension has multiplied about 5 times since then in about 3 months. Nano Dimension is currently in the 19th position of the RQ ETF. We just started the new year, and this is Ark's new position for 2021. Just as I suspected, Monday's position was just a starter position. I don't know Ark's intentions for this stock, but I do know they are bullish in e-gaming. This is definitely just the beginning. I'm not saying this stock will give you a 500% return in 3 months, but it definitely gives me the confidence to trade and continue investing in this company. I continued to do more research today to try to come up with more accurate numbers. I have a new price target for this year based on new information that I found. I found this article from New Zoo. It's an overview of game trends to watch in 2021. I want to go over 3 key points from this article that is positive for Skillz in 2021. The first point is, and I quote, "Our global games market report shows that in 2021, 2.8 billion gamers worldwide will help the global games market generate revenues of $189.3 billion. The second point is the second sentence, which is, "Emerging markets will drive much of these new revenues as infrastructure and economies continue to grow across regions like Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Northern Africa." And the final point is the lack of console supply. This article states, "It will take time for next-gen console supply to catch up to demand. Manufacturing, marketing, and launching these new consoles is never an easy feat, but orchestrating these tasks during a pandemic when supply chains are heavily disrupted made things even more challenging for the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS launches." These are 3 major bullish key points for Skillz. I want you to keep these 3 points in mind. I will come back to them in full circle after we go over Skillz Platform and we'll reveal the new end of the year price target. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Let's take a look at the Skillz Platform. If we click play games, it redirects you to their gaming platform. I know what you guys are thinking at a glance. This looks like a gaming platform from Windows 2000. Just hear me out for a second before jumping ship. This is their desktop version of the app. Keep in mind that this is a mobile targeted platform. The first connection I made between the article we just read and this mobile targeted platform is that the article states that it will take time for next-gen console supply to catch up to the demand. Everyone already has a phone in their pockets. Therefore, I see a rise in mobile gaming. Now, I'm not saying this is a PS5 replacement. This is far from it. but the fact that the mobile gaming is rising due to the ease of accessibility cannot be ignored. The second connection I made was a statement of emerging markets being the primary revenue growth in regions like Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Northern Africa. Skillz plans to expand to these regions in the near future. It doesn't mean that they will be able to, but it's definitely something that they are aware of. Now I'm going to circle back to the user interface and games of the app. The user interface of this app in emerging markets will be familiar to those gamers who only have access to a basic phone, making it highly desirable. I am sure Skillz didn't intentionally design this app for those reasons, but because this is where they currently are at in this new business structure. The key here is that this app will be accessible to anyone and everywhere with no restrictions as of now, because it will not be considered gambling. The only obstacles I see for the expansion of this app to other countries is the monetization of the platform and taxation structure where foreign countries will accept this type of business. This is why there's massive potential and risk for this company. In addition, it can also be susceptible to hackers and glitches clearing out accounts. The final key point in my new price prediction is based on the $189 billion gaming revenue forecast in 2021. In my previous video, I formulated an equation based on Skillz presentation showing the gaming market industry valuated at $149 billion. Based on those figures, my year-end price target was $52 with a value buy rating of under $25. Based on the new $189 billion forecasted figure, we're talking about a 26% increase, which brings me to my new year-end price target of $65. Let's take a look at the current price. Since the closing price of $18 on Monday, and from the time of this recording, it's currently up after hours at $23.50. Anything under $25, in my opinion, is considered high value, and anything under $30 is considered value for long-term investing. I wouldn't want to size up after $30 since I would want a nice cushion and room for pullbacks. Just keep in mind that all these figures are based on normal performing markets with 12% yearly returns. If we see corrections or a market meltdown, you can kiss these figures goodbye, and I will just be some crazy guy making up crazy figures. Although I'm very aggressive and optimistic, I also would like to express the risks of investing. Be careful out there, guys. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to receive up-to-date money-making opportunities. Also click the like button to fight that big bad YouTube algorithm. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.